Hey everybody, how are you? And I am back, can you believe it? I thought I was done. Just like probably everybody else thinks they're done when they think they aren't going to get anything else for another holiday, especially people that do DIYs. Okay, well, I'm just going to show you. Little Dollar Tree, little Hobby Lobby. And I have just a couple more things that I can think of I want to get for Valentine's. My head's really wrapping around Easter, if you want to know the truth. But there isn't a whole lot out yet. We have a little bit out at Hobby Lobby, not much. Not what I need. And my Dollar Tree, virtually nothing. So, with that said, let me show you what I got. Okay, first thing. I think these are adorable. Love you always. And then the back though, because it stands by itself, you can do your own design on the back here. But I got a couple of these. And then you are perfect in every way. And they had these little heart boxes, and for any of you that follow me know I'm not using these heart boxes for gifts or just to display. I use these for my faux cakes, and they're perfect. They didn't have any bigger ones, and that's okay. And if you want, you could stack it if you wanted, and then they have a smaller one, but that's not what I'm going to do. But I did get those for my cake. Then for DIYs, and primarily probably cakes, I got these roses. They're foam roses, and the thing with these is you can take watercolors or felt pens, and you can shade these, or even acrylic paints. So there's a lot you can do with these. So I got a couple of the pink, because pink I can use for Easter, Valentines, anytime. And then red, again for Valentines or 4th of July, Christmas. And then one package of cream to add a little bit of cream to it. I went to a different Dollar Tree. This one's real close to my house, but I love this envelope. And it had this in it, but I thought this was so cute. And this can be used for any occasion. It doesn't matter, because since it has that pocket, and you can't open it, it's not like you can really get a whole lot in there, but I thought it was so cute. And then here's a smaller, and this is what I was talking about. If you wanted to make, you know, a 2-tier cake, you could. Then they had a few more new, I didn't get all of them, but they had a few more of the miniatures. Look at, it's supposed to be a cake, isn't that cute? And this is sweets. It's just called the Sweets Collection. So it's this one, and then this cupcake with the cone. It's supposed to be an ice cream cone. And then look at the little popsicle and ice creams. Isn't that cute? And then look at this little table and chairs. Isn't that adorable? And like I said, they had a couple other things, but I didn't get them. I really didn't care for them, to be honest with you. So that's what I got at the Dollar Tree. Okay, and I'll be right back with Hobby Lobby. Okay, now Hobby Lobby. Like I said, really what I'm looking for in Hobby Lobby is more Easter, but there were a couple things But Valentine's isn't on sale yet, guys, but the reason I got the couple things I did is people are buying stuff out like crazy. I'm not joking. I mean, it is, the only thing I can think of is because of the situation, the way the world is right now, where people aren't, you know, they're starting to put the kibosh on going places again to some degree. They're looking more inwards to their homes. That's the only thing I can come up with, why things are going so fast. Just my opinion. Anyway, all of the cake supplies were 50% off. And I'm starting a new endeavor this year, having to do with DIYs and things I think you're really going to like. But I got this silicone square mold because you can make ice cubes out of these, or little pedophores, or, you know, whatever. But I got this one because I've been looking at that. I've also ordered some other molds that you'll be seeing, and I'm excited to share this with you. Also, for my cakes, I got these cake boards like they use that they use in the bakeries. And I got a little bit bigger than what my cakes are, so if I want to decorate around this, I can. So I'll be using that in some of my faux foods. Then all of their scrapbook paper was on sale, 50% off each piece. So let me show you. I'm going to be doing some little paper DIYs for Valentine's, really cute, that I saw on Pinterest. So the pink and the red, because I'm decorating with some of that, but I'm also, you know, going to be decorating with the black and white, because you know how much I love Mackenzie Child. Okay, look at this. Look at the music, you guys. It's going to make beautiful DIYs. And then I got a stripe and polka dot. Now, if I don't use all this in my Valentine, because I do decorate with Mackenzie Child, I can do other things with this paper, but I am going to do some things for Valentine's with this. Look at this love one. Isn't that pretty? Look at all those different patterns. Because Mackenzie Child, she uses a lot of different patterns. So stay tuned for that, because I'll be showing you. And then, now I got this pink polka dot. And this, I might use for Valentine's. I might keep it for Easter. But then look at this. Look at these beautiful roses. Now these roses would look gorgeous with that black, wouldn't it? And then I got some more of this that is also very much Mackenzie Child. Then a couple of these hearts, and they're metallic. Again, would go beautiful with the black and white. And these are just more duplicates. But I am going to be doing stuff with paper, with scrapbook paper. So be on the lookout for that. And then I showed you with my Dollar Tree haul. Remember I bought the different ornaments, the blue and the silver for 4th of July, and I'll add red into it because of my birch tree. Remember the birch tree that I used for my living room for Christmas? And so for Valentine's, I'm also going to decorate with it. So at Hobby Lobby, they had the red hearts, so I'll hang these hearts on that tree as well. I'm hoping that Hobby Lobby will carry again this year a couple bunnies that I want, that I'm going to revamp. I'm hoping. And look, they wrapped my stuff in the paper. What do we do with this paper? We do not throw it away. This paper you can use for many things. Then they have the little gnomes. Look how good this goes with the red and black. Isn't that cute? That was $2.99. Not on sale though, guys. This stuff was not on sale. I bought one set of ears because I'm going to be doing a DIY for Easter on this one. And I'm going to use it as a pattern too. And then the last thing I got was the little books, the faux books. And this was $5.99, but regular price. I'll probably put a different bow. But that's it. That is my Hobby Lobby haul. Okay, but I just wanted to show you, so if there's anything you see, you might want to go out and get. Guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. There's only one you, and you bring something to this world nobody else can. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.